welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, today we're working on this Suzuki Swift. Specifically, we're going to be swapping out the sun visor. Now, the reason you're here, guys, is most likely because your sun visor is either missing, snapped off, or it flaps down in front of your face, drives you crazy. Yeah, guys, I understand completely. This car also has a sun visor that flops down in my face. It's driving me crazy. So we're going to swap her out, put a new one on, and hopefully we're good to go after that. Guys, if you need this part, don't forget, anything that Parts Factory Australia has videos of, we are also selling the part. You can click the title of this video, the description will pop down, click the link, cruise onto the webby, buy it, get it in your hand. It's free express post anywhere in Australia, so you're going to get it overnight. Get it in your hand, guys, and use this video to learn how to swap it over. You're going to save yourself rather a lot of money doing it that way, rather than going to Suzuki, paying them $400 for a visor, waiting for it to turn up in the mail for 2 months, and then paying them $100 in labor to do what is essentially a 1-minute job. So, alrighty guys, I won't stuff you around any further. Let's jump straight into this one. I'll show you how it's done. Guys, this is the problem you might experience with your Swift. It'll literally just pop down like that. And of course, you can't be driving like this. You won't be able to see. So basically what you do is you literally just grab your visor. You have one Phillips head screw. Grab the screw. Whoop. Try not to drop it like I did. And you can literally bring the visor back around. And you kind of basically do a twister to get it out. You can see how it has a little hook there. That's so it hooks up and then screws in. So you undo it and then twist it out like that. That's how they come out. And guys, that's it. I know it's not the biggest, most educational full video ever, but realistically guys, there is no other way to solve things like this. And at a price of only $88.30 from Parts Factory Australia, why would you try and do it another dodgy way? You just replace it. That way when you go to sell your car, you can sell it. No one's going to be complaining about the first thing they see as soon as they sit in your car. Now guys, I'll give you a quick look at what our sun visors look like. Right, so guys, as you can see, they are just a replica. Basically what we do is we send these ones over to our manufacturer and they produce us a replica product, which you can then just go bang, straight up in there and you're good to go. Don't forget, they come with a 3-year warranty and free express post Australia wide. So if you need it, Suzuki Swift sun visor, just cruise on and grab it on the website.